There was a family that didn't have spines. They slithered into the forest to look for trees. The trees were all around them. They hung their spineless bodies on the trees. The family used the trees as their spines. In autumn, they shed leaves. Winter came. Their limbs protected sparrows from bitterness. Springtime, they felt sap move from ears to their feet. Could they sing to one another? No, they were trees. A man came with an axe and cut the family down. The father became a table. The mother became a chair. The children also became chairs. Another family sat in the chairs around the table. There was soup in the middle of the table. The family held hands and began to say grace, but the family splintered. Soon birds flew in the windows and gathered the splinters for their nests. How does the story end? The story ends with many birds building nests, laying eggs, and sitting on their young. The birds, being birds, were able to sing to one another.